If you're experiencing billing problems with your American Express account, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your billing statement carefully to identify any discrepancies. Look for unauthorized charges, incorrect amounts, or any fees that you do not recognize. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documentation related to the billing issue. This includes your billing statement, receipts, and any correspondence with merchants or American Express. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number found on the back of your card. Be prepared to explain your issue clearly and provide any documentation you have gathered. Step 4. Follow up and rating. If your issue is not resolved over the phone, send a written complaint to American Express. Include all details of your issue, your account information, and copies of any documentation. Step 5. Monitor your account. After filing your complaint, keep an eye on your account for any updates or changes. Make sure to follow up with American Express if you do not receive a timely response. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems with American Express. Remember to stay organized and persistent throughout the process.